Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register on uh, Binance. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So all you need to do is just to search for Binance on your web browser. Just type Binance and basically you will need just to go to Binance.com. Make sure you are on Binance.com so you cannot be in some scamming websites. So after you make sure that you are on the Binance.com, you will need just to either sign in up with your email or phone, or you can continue with one of these accounts, either the Google account or Apple accounts. If you want, you don't have any of these, you can just sign in up with your email or Microsoft's email or anything that you would like. And after that, you will need just to continue with uh, the sign in up form. For example, I will just like do like that email.gmail.com, and after that I will click next and it will send a verification code. And after that, when you submit the verification code, you will need just to set up your password after that. And basically when you're logging into your account, you will be able to start setting up some security measures. You can, as you can see, this is another security measures that I have for my Binance account. You can use the authenticator app and then paste the code that you have, and basically you will need just to log in with it. And as you can see, now I'm logged in. And of course, like there are many measures or account security measures on Binance, so you won't fear like to get hacked or anything else. So basically, after that, you can go to your wallet or to your wallet dashboard. You can go to the settings if you want to set up anything that you would like, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.